The following message is transmitted by the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA has confirmed that a spaceship crashed somewhere on Earth. People are speculating that is an Among Us spaceship. Even if you are familiar with it, you should still not go in contact with the spaceship. Stay tuned for more updates as this situation evolves. We interrupt our program by the request of the White House. Important information will follow. Message is transmitted by the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. For the past couple of weeks, more and more spaceships are crashing to Earth. It is likely the entire United States will be bombarded in the next few hours. While you can, seek fallout shelter now. Gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to listen to more news. We will now sign off for the day. Goodbye. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The world is ending in the next few hours. We have no other choice left but to move to another planet. The situation of the Among Us spaceships crashing on Earth has only gotten worse. Coastal cities such as New York City have went underwater because of this. To ensure you move with life safely, you must go to one of the spaceships everywhere on Earth, and then wait. If you don't want to go on, gather your friends, family, and pets, and embrace for death. We will not play the national anthem. Goodbye everyone, and see you in the afterlife.